Hello friends, my name is Chetan Vadaria and today we are going to study about trigonometric identities class 10th and the derivation of this all identities. Look here, these are the three identities that we know. How they had derived this identity, that I am going to teach you, and you need to keep in mind about this square. Okay, so let us start. For deriving this three identity, cos square a plus sin square a equals to 1, 1 plus tan square a is equals to sec square a, and 1 plus cot square a is equals to cosec square a. So what actually the thing is, let me draw three right angle triangles, so that will help you to understand the thing. A, B, C is a right angle triangle, and we know this is hypotenuse is fixed, but according to the main angle theta, opposite and adjacent changes. So this will be your opposite and this will be your adjacent. Now we are going to derive three identities. So directly I am going to make three right angle triangle ABC, 90 degree, hypotenuse, theta, adjacent, opposite. Again one, and you all know about Pythagoras, guys. So we are going to take help or use Pythagoras here. So this is ABC, this is hypotenuse, this is your main angle, and this will be opposite and adjacent. So three triangles. Now let me tell you, here can we use Pythagoras and can we say AC square means hypotenuse square is equals to sum of squares of other two sides. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. In all these three, here also we can write down AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. And here also I can write down AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Now we are going to divide all this by one of the side and find out the ratio. You know about all the 6 trigonometric ratios. If you don't know, please watch my previous video so that you will come to know what are that ratios. So here by dividing we are going to form the ratio. Let us start by dividing first with hypotenuse. So here I am going to divide all these three, or you can say this equation, with AC square. So if I am going to divide, or if I will divide this whole equation by AC square, and I have to distribute AC square to all this. Here AC will get cancelled, so I will get 1 equals to. Now AB square by AC square. AB is opposite and AC is hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse, the ratio is sine. Opposite by hypotenuse, that is sine square A, plus here adjacent by hypotenuse. So this ratio will be cos square A. Adjacent by opposite adjacent by hypotenuse is cos. So this is cos square A. You can see easily we had derived our first identity, that sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. Just you need to divide by any of the side one by one, and you will get all the three identities with this ratio. Now here we had divided with AC. Now I am going to divide with AB. Divide all this by AB square. So dividing this by AB square. So here AC by AB. AC, that is hypotenuse. AB, that is opposite. So hypotenuse by opposite, that will be cosec square A. You should know the ratio, guys. Hypotenuse by opposite is reciprocal of sine opposite by hypotenuse. So reciprocal of sine is cosec. Now AB by AB, this will get cancelled, so you will get 1, both are same, plus BC by BC means adjacent and AB means opposite. Adjacent by opposite, again you need to know the ratio. Adjacent by opposite is opposite of tan. Tan is opposite by adjacent. Cot is adjacent by opposite. So here you will get cot square A. This is our second identity. this way. Now here we are divided with hypotenuse, here with opposite side. Now we are going to divide with adjacent side. Divide this whole equation with adjacent side, that is BC square. So here AC square, hypotenuse upon adjacent, hypotenuse upon adjacent, that is reciprocal of cos, reciprocal of cos. So here we will get sec square A, and AB square by BC square, AB by BC. So we know that is 10 square A, and here BC will get cancelled, plus 1. This is our third identity. From this 3 identities we can make another 6 identities, so total 9, by just changing the side of any one. Let me tell you how. Can I write here sine square A equals to, take this cos square on that side, 1 minus cos square A. Can I write sine square A is equals to 1 minus cos square A? Right, just what I had done, plus cos square A I had taken on that side. So 1 minus cos square A equals to sine square A. We can write like this also. Again we can write down cos square A is equals to, take this sine on that side, 1 minus sine square. Here also you can do the same thing, cosec square A minus 1 equals to cot square A. I had just taken plus positive A on that side, so that become negative. And you can also write down cosec square A minus cot square A equals to 1. 1 is very important, guys, because you can see here 1 equals to this, this equals to also 1, and here also you will get that. Let me show you. Now sec square A, take this 10 on that side, minus 10 square A equals to 1. You can see, you can convert 1 into sine square A plus cos square A. You can convert 1 into cosec square A minus cot square A. You can convert 1 into sec square A minus 10 square A. So this all 1 is very important, guys. This is the second identity from this. Now third one, sec square A, take this plus 1 on that side, minus 1 equals to 10 square. So this way you can derive the 9 identities, or you can say the 3 identities, with the help of Pythagoras, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are having still any doubt, then you can join me on Unacademy app, guys. Every day morning at sharp 9 AM I am taking free live lectures. What you need to do, just you need to download Unacademy app, register with your mobile number, select the goal JEE NEET Foundation and NTSC, and use my referral code. This is for free class, guys. For free class also you need to use my code, and for plus class also you need to use this code, so you will get 10% discount. After registering, just you need to search my profile name Chetan Wadadia and click on the follow button nearby that, so that you will get notification of all my classes. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much.